This is the Bonofone BT V5.1 mini portable USB adapter. I am installing it on the USB port of your PC. After installing the Bluetooth adapter on your PC, Bluetooth is not showing up in Windows 10. If Bluetooth is not showing up in Windows 10 after installing the Bluetooth adapter, let's see how to fix it. First, unplug the Bluetooth adapter from here. Plug the Bluetooth adapter into a 2.0 USB port on your PC. After plugging the Bluetooth adapter into a 2.0 USB port on your PC, go to your PC. If Bluetooth is still not showing up on your PC, then go to the second method. Right-click on the Windows icon. Go to Device Manager. Look for the Bluetooth option. Check if the Bluetooth adapter is disabled from here. If the Bluetooth adapter is disabled from here, enable it again. Sometimes Bluetooth is not visible even after installing the Bluetooth adapter, because it is disabled from here. After enabling it from here, Bluetooth will be visible on the PC. Bluetooth is now visible in Windows 10.